What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Ken coming at you. Kaiser's first flat. This video is basically just to show y'all what to do in case you get a flat. This today is what? Today is what, October 3rd or something? 4th? Somewhere around that. Sunday. Kaiser has a flat. He's had this flat for ever since fall. I mean, ever since summer when he first started riding. I don't know how he got the flat. I tried to fill it up, it went back down again. So let me try that again. So first thing you do is, before you take before you take the tire apart, fill it up with air to see if you can know the general area of where the air is coming out. That way you don't have to look so hard for it. Easy to do, much easier to do this than to look for the hole. Fill it up with air. Skin coming at you from Ken.com. What's up? Trying to do this one-handed. That's gonna work. Let's see. I got it under my chin. I hope y'all can see it. Fell down. They don't trust me. I got it on. So you can get a foot pump. I don't care what kind of pump you can. You can blow it up with your mouth if you want to, but it ain't gonna work if you got a mouth. Put too much pressure. So then you just take the pump and pump. Oh boy, can you hear that? Let's get down there and see where we can hear it at. It's like it's coming out right there. Right there. So that's where I'm going to concentrate my efforts. If you can look closely, you can see it pulsating. But it may not, it may come from somewhere else. But that's how we're going to start. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. No, I ain't going to talk to y'all in a minute. I'm getting ready to do it now. So you let the air out. So the air is out. You can either just go ahead and take out that part that you think that may need the repair. Sometimes you have to take the whole thing out, but since you know that part is somewhere, just get some type of tool, make sure it's not sharp, dull, so you can pry that out. I want to see that again. I'll show you how again. Then you take this and pop that like that. You guys know that you gotta take a lot of concentration to do this with all this noise going around here. Oh no, did I break it? No, thank God. This belongs to my camera. So that's a camera stand. Okay, so now that you got that part out, which is the general area of where the flat is, that's just the general area. If you don't know where the flat is, you gotta take all of this, take it all the way out. So now that you know what the general area is, I think what happened was, there it is right there. He's going to need a brand new inner tube. When it's on the scene like that, it's virtually impossible to fix. When it's on the scene like this. That's going to be impossible to fix. You're going to have a whole new inner tube. See that seam there? How it's cracked on there? Right there in the seam. These guests are speaking. They talk louder when they know you're doing something. That's a big one, man. Well, that ain't gonna work, Kaiser. You need a new inner tube, son. You need a new inner tube. Come look at it. Inner tube. See the crack right there? You see it? Now watch what happens when I blow this up. See the air going in there?
Push.
Can you push it? Kaiser's pushing up into the pump. You got to hold it with your foot. Hold it with your foot. Get over there by it. You're too close to it. You're too far away from it. Now put your foot on there.
2 foot?
Yeah, 2 foot if you can. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see how your tire's going down? It's got a hole in it. It's got a hole in it somewhere here. Let's see. Well, it's got a hole in the crease. Hey, you left me. Why you leave me? I need your help.
I'm not a jerk.
Let's see here. Boy, this thing is cracked all the way up. Look at that. I need a new inner tube. Well, if you need a new inner tube, what you do is you say, I need a new inner tube. And you go and you look at the size of the tire. The size of the tire is located on the side of the tire. It tells you how much pressure to put in there. That's the pressure right there. That's the name of the tire. 250, 280 something. That's 40 pounds pressure there. See that 40 pounds pressure right there? Take a picture of that. Then on the side of the tire, a lot of information. It tells you what type of tire it is, the name brand of the tire. Somewhere here is going to show you the size of the tire. There it is, right there. See? 16 by 1.95. 53 305. That's it. So let's go. Now that you know the size of the tire, you can go and get the inner tube. Okay, it's Dad signing off. Trying to show you how to do an inner tube. So, okay. Talk to y'all later.